Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to guess the value of the limit if it exists by evaluating the function at the given number is correct to 6 decimal places. So we have all of these values, and we have to plug them in, these values of h, into this fraction. And of course, you can just do this into a calculator. And our fraction is 2 plus h to the 5th minus 32 over h. And so if we plug in these values, starting with all the positive ones, we have 0.5, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, and 0.0001. Plugging these in, you get 131.3125, 88.4101, 80.80401, 80.08004, and 80.008004. Now we have to try the negative values. Again, just plugging them into the same fraction. We do this because these are the values of h approaching 0 from the right. We also have to try it from the left. So negative 0.5, negative 0.1, negative 0.01, negative 0.001, and negative 0.0001. Plugging these in, we have 48.8125, 79.3901, 79.20399, 79.92004, and 79.992. So as we can see, as we get closer in both directions, we're approaching a value of 80. And since the limit from the right equals the limit from the left, we can say that the limit as h approaches 0 of 2 plus h to the 5th minus 32 over h is equal to what both of these are approaching, 80.